Hey folks, Josh here from LostCreek Lab. Even though we offer a billing agent service and paid subscriptions to our custom DODD billing software, we recognize that for many of you who are just starting out, you may not necessarily need either of those services just yet. But you're probably also tired of manually entering these single claim entries into eMBS, which can really be a pain and pretty time consuming. That's why we created these free Excel workbooks that automate the process of turning claims into flat files that you can then upload directly into eMBS. So check this out. Here in my workbook, we have this simple interface to document our services for the week. And you'll notice that as we go along, it's going to automatically total up those claims. So I'm going to go ahead and start entering my claims for the week. I've entered my provider number here, selected my Ohio county, and I'm going to enter some HPC wake services starting with March 3rd. I'm going to select the individual that I was working with, and I'm going to go ahead and enter my number of units. We're going to create that claim. I see here billing entries submitted successfully, and we'll see that we have one claim pending totaling $134.72. So we will go ahead and again enter HPC wake services for 34. And on that day, we've got another 16. We'll do 35. We'll do 8 units. And then 36. 20 units, and on 3-7 we've got 24 units. Okay, so just in that short period of time we've entered 5 HPC wake claims for a total of $707.28. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and click generate flat file. And then we're going to just go ahead and save that to our computer. It's going to give us a success message that the flat file was generated. And now we can go ahead and go straight to eMBS. We're going to go to upload the flat file. We're going to go and select that file and click upload. Just like that, eMBS has that file and it'll go through automatically line by line and process each one of those claims. Now to enter those 5 claims manually, as you probably already know, it's very time consuming. So again, that's why we created these free templates. We've got one for agency providers, another for independent providers, and they are already populated with all of the different rates for all 88 Ohio counties, and we're hoping it's going to save you guys a lot of time. If you have any questions about it or questions about billing in general, we'd love to help. Just drop us a message. See ya.